Good morning. My name is Constance Stuurman, Floral Artist and Gardener at Babylonstoren. Now it's changed in season and everything seems to be flourishing right now. So what I'm going to do now is show you what's beautiful this time of the year for Constance in this garden. I'm standing here in the stone fruit area. This is our nectarine blossoms, and all of the stone fruit is actually starting to flower at this moment. So it's almost like saying, welcome to spring. I'm sitting here at the citrus block with some kumquats in my hand. Although they're small, they're big in taste. This might be one of the few citrus that you might still find in the garden. And I can guarantee you, they make the best preserve. As you can see, we're busy harvesting fresh beetroot and some other veggies as well. So you can come to our restaurants and the farm shop and have the best vegetables ever. African walnut. Wow, I can just hear the bees making a noise in here. But this is the time of the year when you can get all the sunbirds and the bees together having a party in this tree. Now we're in the berry block. I'm gonna meet up with Anton so he can show us what he's busy with in this beautiful area.
Good morning. These are heritage raspberries. They are all dormant now because they are in their winter sleep. What you're going to do, you will find some of the old canes, they died during last season. So you have to cut away all the old ones. And then you keep some of these young ones. You can see them, they've got a lighter bark. The old ones, it's a little bit darker. So after cutting away the old ones, and then you cut away all the small ones you're not going to need, and then you take some of these new ones, you bend them straight up, cut them off about 10 centimeters above the wire, and then you tie it to the wire. So that's what you're going to do with all the young ones in here. And then in the new season they will start making new shoots, will start coming out. The new shoots will be between the wires, and that will prevent them from hanging down to keep your raspberries away from the soil. So all the raspberries will up here between the new canes will be between the wires, and you will have all your fruit on top of it here. That's about what we're going to do.
Cape pond weed, waterbloempie. Yeah, indigenous. And also, it makes the best stew. But what I love about these is the fact that they have a beautiful scent. I want a perfume made out of these.